Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about goat farming, which is one of the best and low-cost farming businesses for village and small landowners.
Goat farming project costs vary widely based on scale. For example, 50 versus 500 Sanan goats location and infrastructure, but generally include significant upfront capital expenditure for sheds, raised or modern. Fencing, essential for containment. Costs depend on material, barbed wire versus chain link, and area for pygmy goat farming.
Each brown and white Toggenburg goat needs 10 square feet of space, and each black-furred Alpine he-goat needs 15 square feet of space.
Feed. Often 60 to 70% of running costs. Includes concentrate feed, hay.
Common dairy goat breeds, Saanen. High milk yield, white color.
Saanen goats provide multiple revenue streams: high-quality milk, artisanal cheeses, yogurt, and organic fertilizer.
Low overhead. Saanen goats need less space and can thrive in diverse conditions, unlike larger livestock.
Breed. Different goat breeds have different acquisition costs.
Barbari, good meat and early maturity. Kamori, popular in Pakistan, good meat and milk. Beetle, Kamori, Teddy, Barbari, Nachi.
Kamori, Jakrana, Nubian, Black Bengal. Small but very tasty meat. Popular meat goat breeds. Boer. Fast growth, excellent meat quality.
Examples: Beetle, Jamunapari, Osmanabadi, Sirohi.
Jamunapari, large size, good milk, common in South Asia. Beetle, popular in Pakistan and India.
Toggenburg, brown with white stripes. Alpine, hardy and good milk producers.
The dues look healthy and the buck has strong lines. I think we have a deal.
Just a little vitamin boost now. This will help keep your immune system strong.
You're doing great, buddy. Just a little pinch for the vaccine and you'll be all set. We want to keep you healthy. There you go, all done. Good girl. Let's get this noted down.
To get a precise cost, create a detailed project report based on your specific goals. Herd size of goats.
High demand. Growing local and international markets for nutritious, low-fat boar goat meat and easily digestible milk.
Fast returns. High-quality imported breeds grow much faster, allowing for quicker sales than local breeds. Genetics. Investing in superior breeds significantly boosts growth and feed conversion, increasing profits.
This is a golden opportunity for poor and middle-class people.
If done with planning, it can change your life.
And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.